Hello, my name is Thora, and I'm excited to be graduating from Red Rocks with my associate's degree in graphic design and print production. I have really enjoyed the variety of classes I have been able to take here because they have all taught me many different skills. I have learned the basic of several Adobe softwares, how to improve my designs for all sorts of different projects, and how to put together a portfolio. One of my favorite classes was Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is my favorite software to use because I find that there are endless possibilities and that I'm always learning something new that allows me to create a unique effect. InDesign taught me how to create layouts as well as ways to use grids and align objects while still creating something that is visually interesting. Other classes that I have enjoyed include motion graphics, digital photography, business for creatives, and more. I have found the instructors here at Red Rocks to be incredibly encouraging. I have really enjoyed getting to learn from them through the feedback they have provided me on various projects. So thank you to Marty, Christina, Paul, and everyone else who has helped me make my experience here at Red Rocks so positive. I've currently been doing an internship with Butterfly Pavilion, which has given me an amazing real-world experience. It has been amazing to be able to build connections, understand even better how this industry works, and be able to see my work being used to help fulfill a purpose. Once again, thank you to all my instructors here at Red Rocks that have helped me get started on my journey to becoming a graphic designer.